right, get ready to go.
Hold on, got the drone out. 1 sec.
No, let's not do the drone yet.
Okay.
Let's get further east. It's gonna get big.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's do it. Oh, it's getting big. You look aboard to see.
All the way up. On the ground, just to our south. It's getting the roof. Let me know when I need to blast.
You're good. Power flashes.
Wow. Wow.
Oh wow, look at the social vortices.
This way. You see that?
Yeah.
That was very interesting. Look at this whole column. I mean, that's a tornado cyclone trying to develop for sure. Okay. Yeah, that's a tornado.
Oh yeah, yeah. Absolutely a tornado.
That's a tornado.
Yeah. That might be almost a wedge.
It's a stovepipe, nice stove. And we have a much better view here in a little bit, just like a mile, just FYI.
Wow, that's big. Wow, that's big. Big old tornado. Stop.
We need to go, I think.
No, we're good.
Well, it's moving east-northeast.
Hold on, let's just run for just a sec.
Yeah.
Okay.